This is how to change the key battery on your BMW with the 3-button fob, and also the location of the emergency key. So if this stops working, you can let yourself in with the physical key. So reasonably straightforward. We're going to take this back off to get access to the battery, but if you just want the emergency key, you can see here there's a little button. Press that, pull, and there's your key. That'll get you into the vehicle. So once you've got that out, using a small screwdriver or something similar, if you look inside here, not sure you can see it, there's a little tab just in there. What we're going to do, using this, I'm going to push the tab and at the same time lift. A little click, and the back comes off, revealing your CR2450 battery. So that one out, new one in, and then it's simply a case of rebuild the key. Click that back on, slide that back in, and you're done. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.